Live mail review. Hey my friend, this is Subhas here and I'm going to give you full depth review about new product called Live Mail and what is this product and how does work, and you will get my most amazing exclusive bonuses who know anyone offer this kind of bonuses. Okay, so you can see I have member area about this product, and I will show you how this work and how you can get benefit and how you can make a lot of money with this amazing software. So basically it is complete brand new AI autoresponder where you will send unlimited email to your unlimited subscriber. You don't have any restrictions, you don't require any monthly fee, you don't require any SMTP, you don't require any technical skills to using it, because it is completely user friendly and you will make a lot of affiliate commission. If you can promote your affiliate product, it is affiliate friendly, you can promote your own businesses through it. Is complete new model autoresponder method. So it is complete alternative of get response, Aweber, and active campaign like most popular services. So once you pick up this, then you don't even need anything. So what you need to do, simply click on the link description below if you're watching on YouTube, and you can come on this page. This is my bonus page, okay, where I have mentioned all details about how this software work, demo videos, and the most important, our bonuses. Okay, so before jumping to explain everything about, let's talk about our bonuses, because my bonuses much important than life host. So I hope I have already explained what is this program. Okay, so send unlimited email to unlimited list with inbuilt SMTP for lifetime, loaded with premium drag and drop email editors, schedule email to just few seconds, 100% customized for the emails, is existing email templates. Okay, and the most important things, commercial license important. And let's talk about my bonuses. So my bonuses is really important. If you want, you can go to watch other people's videos, reviews, but you will not get my bonuses like me. Okay, so just a second, I'm going to explain about my bonuses. So bonus number one, you can see on here, I will give you our 5,000 email buyer database. So I am doing internet marketing last 2 or 3 years, and I have collected 30,000 plus email database. So what I'm going to give you, if you pick up this autoresponder, then I will give you our 5,000 email database where you can upload this in this autoresponder, and you can send email, you can promote any affiliate product, and you will start making money tomorrow. That is using my buyer email list. Okay, so this is really important. No anyone offer you this kind of bonuses with this product. So, and my bonus number second is that you can see on here, you will access my all previous launches. So I have launched so many several product, email marketing, chatbot marketing, and personal branding, affiliate marketing, a lot of courses I have been launches. You will get complete access with this amazing program, this autoresponder also, because it is a autoresponder, so you need to know how to do email marketing. So I have mentioned our brand new winning email marketing mastery course, so where you will learn about how you can do properly email marketing, how you can select offer, how you can promote any affiliate offer, and how you can make daily affiliate commission using email free traffic. So you will get autoresponder, you will get our 5,000 email database, and you will get our email marketing course. So that is winning charm for you. Okay, and you can see on here. Okay, and our the best bonuses, bonus number four is that you will get our 121 email binning Swift database. So I'm sending every single day email Swift, so I know which email Swift is converting well and which not. So I have collected our 121 email data Swift. So you will get with this program, this autoresponder. Once you pick up this autoresponder using my affiliate link, then you will get automatically, where you will get our email marketing course, you will get our 5,000 database. You can put our email, upload our email database, and you can you can get my winning sweep and send, and you can make start making a lot of affiliate commission. Okay, and next product is that, next bonuses is that get access our vendor 500 vendor bonuses. Okay, so you can offer to lead generation, and you can offer for your customers free giveaway as you wish. Okay, and bonus number 6 is that traffic X. So it is collection of 12 different traffic sources. So if you are building your new website, then you will know how you can get 12 different way free traffic source. Okay, and bonus number 7 is that about anytime if you want any help regarding this product, if you facing problem in using this live mail autoresponder, then feel free to contact me, feel free to message me on my Facebook, WhatsApp, and the most important, I am starting live chat, live support to you. So what you need to do, simply click on here and just type, hey, I got their problem, and we and our team help you instantly and reply you. Okay, so my all bonuses is available only for 20 just 24 hour. Okay, and first 12 hour if you access, then you will get my all bonuses. And you and click on any red button here. Okay, once you click any red button on here, then you will redirect on this page where you can see send unlimited email to unlimited subscriber, and you just take your time and read the sales page. And here I have also a lot of bonuses. You can see on here step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Okay, so just, and the most important thing is price is just $14. So $14 you will get my approximately 7,000 plus bonuses with this amazing autoresponder. So no any services provide you. Okay, so let's talk about member area. So once you access this product, then you will get this kind of member area, and you can see here I have email campaigns and automation list template sending, and your what is called your demo if you upgrade this. Okay, so what you need to do, first of all, click the list session, and you can create your list on here. You can see create a new list, like I'm going to create a new list. Okay, and just give you light demo. And if you want full demo, what you need to do, click the link below on my description, and you can see I have mentioned full demo video about how you can use it and how this software work. Okay, so you can give a list name, just type a random name. Okay, email, you can type email, and you can default. So it is required a lot of times. So once you create email, after then what you need to do, just a minute, what you need to do, click the add subscriber, and if you pick up my to link, then you can add subscriber and upload all subscriber on here. Okay, so what you need to do on here to upload all, you can see click the import button. Okay, and you will get my CSV file where you can import all. Okay, so click on here, and you can upload our subscriber from my from your computer. So look, you can see I have a lot of subscriber on here. So now it is take a lot of time, so I just leave it. But once you upload, okay, and but once you upload, after then what you need to do, click on the campaign session, campaigns, and create a new campaign, create a new campaign. Okay, create a new campaign, and plain text are regular, so I'm choosing plain text because it is spam free, and choose a list. You can choose list 0 subscriber, but you will get our 5,000 subscriber. Okay, and just a second, and click the save and next. Email campaign. Okay, test, just subject line new marketing course okay, and you can type your name, okay, because you are sender, and then you can reply and click the next. So content file, what you type on here. So no worry, I'm offering you our 121 winning email campaign sweeps. Okay, so I have tested. So once you access this product through my affiliate link, then you will get all 121 winning sweeps. So you can see, you can copy paste on here and like something this. Okay, after then you can send them, and after then you will start making a lot of affiliate commission. And here lists sender, so you can take your time and send domains and like something autoresponder automation. So there have autoresponder options. So let's talk about on here automation. So you can if you have list, you can choose your list, and you can create multiples autoresponder, okay, to your customer. After then you can send this system send automation to your audience. Okay, so let's talk about pricing. Okay, so click on here and let's talk about pricing. So pricing is starting only just $17. Okay, just $14. The starting price is $14 if you access within within 12 hours through my link. And just $14 also you will get my all bonuses with this amazing subscriber with the amazing you can see all bonuses just $14. So I hope you understand. And let's talk about OTO. So OTO one is most recommended because you will get sent an automation sequence, premium email template, advanced analysis, commercial license. Okay, and OTO and the price is just $37 into $47. So that is very cheap. And LifeHost Pro Advanced, so dedicated IP for your email delivery and email verification API integration. So you can integrate your API with your website, with your landing page. So this is really most recommended. And OTO number 3 is optimization. So this is recommended if you want link rotator status and link group custom domains, linked custom page, and so you can take your time. Okay, so live host agency, if you want to open your agency, you can you go with OTO 4. And OTO 5 is that called white label license. Start your own email marketing business, add your custom domain logo, charge users UISOBs and your own SMTP. Okay, so finally, why this is important, because I know if you are a beginner, if you're doing you are starting affiliate marketing business, you are starting another online business, you need autoresponder. Without autoresponder you don't have any business. So this is really important software. So it's very cheap, but you can send unlimited email to unlimited subscriber. Also you will get my all bonuses. So if you're going to take autoresponder services from like get response, then you will pay a lot of money. So let's talk about on here just a second. Get responder, get response, and but they charging monthly fee around just $19, yes, $29, like something. So you can see on here, this is get responder price list. So just 1000 subscriber, if you're going with basic, they will charge $15 just per month. But live host for unlimited subscriber to unlimited list, just one time price is just $14. So this is really important. Also you will get my all bonuses, all custom bonuses. I am sure if you're going to watch any other review video, then you will not get this kind of bonuses, guaranteed. No anyone give you this user email buyer email database. Okay, and you can see if you have by the way 5000 list, then you need to pay for just $45 per month. But just $14 just for a lifetime, and you will get this kind of autoresponder for a lifetime. Okay, So I highly recommend you, you can access all those things, and within 24 hours my bonuses has been expired. So if you bonuses expired and price increase, then it is not beneficial for you. So if you believing me and believing this product, go to click check out this and get our bonuses, get this amazing product. Okay, so I hope you understand full reviews, and my I am Suhas Yadav. I want to bend up this review, and I hope you understand. Simply, if you have any question, click the link below, comment below if you're watching on YouTube, and I will reply as soon as possible. If you're watching my sales, my bonus page, simply click red button and go to and finish checkout. Okay, so thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Thank you.